6 contestants, namely Stalin, Mamta, Vijayan, Pramod, Swaminathan, and Nimisha, each from different states, Gujarat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Bengal, and Assam, are seated around a circular table in 6 equidistant chairs. Nimisha is opposite to the person from Kerala, Vijayan is to the right of the person from Gujarat and opposite to the person from Bengal. Pramod is opposite to the person from Assam. Swaminathan is between the person from Puducherry and the person from Assam, and he is not from Bengal. Mamta is opposite to the person from Puducherry who is to the left of Pramod. So again, circular arrangement question. So 6 people, let's put them here, right? So I marked all the 6 places here. Now let's look at this particular statement, because the statement actually straight away gives you a reference point again. So if you actually look at all these statements, Vijayan is to the right of the person from Gujarat and opposite to the person from Bengal is also a reference point. Swaminathan is between the person from Puducherry and the person from Assam is also a reference point, but then you don't know where is Assam and where is Puducherry, so you'll have multiple options. He is not from Bengal. Mamta is opposite to the person from Puducherry. So you can use any of these to actually start off. So I'm going to use this. Pramod is opposite to the person from Assam. Swaminathan is between the person from Puducherry and the person from Assam, and he is not from Bengal. So that means I can now mark Swaminathan because I know Assam is here. So we will have 2 cases now. So either Swaminathan is here or Swaminathan is here. And we know Swaminathan is between the person from Puducherry and the person from Assam. So here you will have Puducherry or you will have Puducherry here. Right? Because Swaminathan is between Assam and Puducherry. So you can have Swaminathan either on this side of Assam or this side of Assam. Let's move on. Mamta is opposite to the person from Puducherry who is to the left of Pramod. So Mamta is opposite to the person from Puducherry. That means Mamta is going to be either here or here. And it says Mamta is opposite to the person from Puducherry who is to the left of Pramod. So person sitting from Puducherry has to be left of Pramod. So only this one tallies. So I can say only this particular case now exists. So Mamta is opposite to the person from Puducherry. We have marked that here. And the person from Puducherry is sitting to the left of Pramod. Vijayan is to the right of the person from Gujarat and opposite to the person from Bengal. Now see, this again brings me to a point where I have 2 cases, because it says Vijayan is to the right of the person from Gujarat and opposite to the person from Bengal. Now see, if you look at this, we have Mamta here. So here Vijayan cannot come. And then he is going to sit opposite to the person from Bengal. And we know Swaminathan is not from Bengal because that statement was given here. Right? So Vijayan cannot sit here. This is not possible. Vijayan here is not possible. Correct? Vijayan here is not possible. Right? So these 3 places, it's not possible for Vijayan to sit. And Vijayan is to the right of the person from Gujarat and opposite to the person from Bengal. So Vijayan could have been a possibility here, or Vijayan could have been a possibility here. So this possibility I've taken here as another case. Right? Vijayan is to the right of the person from Gujarat. So now in this case here you will have Gujarat, whereas in this case Mamta will be from Gujarat. Correct? So now if you look at this, you have Gujarat here, Puducherry here. You know that Swaminathan is not from Bengal. So you have Mamata who is from Bengal, because anyway, Vijayan is sitting now opposite to the person from Bengal. So Mamata has to be Bengal here. And here also you'll have Pramod from Bengal here. So Bengal is also fixed now. So we have Bengal fixed, Assam fixed, Gujarat fixed, and Puducherry fixed here. You have Bengal, Gujarat, Assam, and Puducherry, which is fixed here. Now look at the next statement. It says Nimisha is opposite to the person from Kerala. Now where all can Nimisha sit? So Nimisha can sit here, but then that is opposite to Gujarat, so that is not possible. Nimisha can sit here, in which case what will happen? Swaminathan will be from Kerala, right? Because we know the states of all the other 4 people. In this particular case, you have Nimisha here, because Nimisha now cannot come here because Nimisha is sitting opposite the person from Kerala, and we know in this case Swaminathan is from Gujarat. So this will become Kerala. So we have Kerala, Puducherry, Gujarat, Assam and Bengal here. Right? So we have fixed up all these states and all these people. So now among the people we have Pramod, Nimisha, Mamta, Vijayan and Swaminathan. So that means the only other person now left is Stalin, which will come here. And in this case, Swaminathan, Nimisha, Mamta, Pramod and Vijayan here. So Stalin will come here. Similarly, we have the states which are left out now. So the only state which is left is Tamil Nadu. That will come here. And in this case, Tamil Nadu will come here because you have Bengal, Assam, Gujarat, Puducherry and Kerala here. And same, you have all the states here too. So that finishes the question. You have 2 cases which are possible in this. Now let's look at the question. Who is sitting between the person from Kerala and the person from Bengal? So person from Kerala, person from Bengal is here, and that is Stalin here. So Bengal and Kerala here, and that is Stalin here too. So answer will be Stalin. Next one. If Nimisha is not from Tamil Nadu, so that means this case is not possible is what it is saying. Then who is from Gujarat? Who is from Gujarat? You have Swaminathan from Gujarat. Next one. If Mamata is from Bengal, Mamata is from Bengal is this case, because in this case Mamata is not from Bengal. You have Mamata from Gujarat, right? So this case is not possible. So we are looking at this case. Then who is sitting opposite to Mamata? So who is sitting opposite to Mamata? It's Vijayan. Who among the following could be from Gujarat? Gujarat could be Mamta here or Swaminathan here. So it's either A or C, which is this option. So that solves the question.